Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ridzi Rover, and as always, I'm here to take you along on another incredible adventure. Today we are heading from Queenstown to jaw-dropping Milford Sound, one of the most iconic destinations in New Zealand. We have been trying to start the car. The car is started, but the snow or the ice on the car is not melting. It's been like 10-15 minutes already. It's fine because we never stayed in such place, so it's kind of new experience for us. Milford Sound is 287 kilometers and 5 hours away from the Queenstown. We will be stopping by some charming towns, so sit back. I love stopping at these small coffee shops on the road trips, and this place is just full of it, and I'm really enjoying it. Oh, I wish I can just live a small, slow life. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I absolutely love road trips, and this one is very, very special. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the views because they are about to be the best ones yet. Weather changed like in the blink of an eye. It was all sunny and beautiful, and all of a sudden it's all misty and it's cloudy and it's all foggy. There's no even the visibility. I think few hundred meters.
Yeah.
Few meters, not even 100 meters. My goodness, like it changed like this. What happened? Where are we going? As we entered the Milford Sound area, the landscape changed dramatically. The scenery became even more stunning with big cliffs, lush greenery. Just a quick tip for anyone planning this trip, make sure to fill up your tank before entering the area. There are no fuel available within the next 100 kilometers, and the last petrol station is at the Anau. Trust us, you don't want to run out of fuel in this remote and beautiful place. There is no entry charge to enter this beautiful conservation area. The drive can be risky but incredibly beautiful, so keep your eyes on the road. So we have booked our cruise from the Discoveries. There are so many booking websites you can choose from, and they have like almost similar rates. So you can choose from three options. One is you can drive your own car, park there, pay for the parking, and then just take the cruise. Or you can choose from coach plus cruise. That means they will pick you up from a certain point in a big bus and then drive you here. And then of course you can fly and then take a cruise. So three options, you can choose any one of them. One more thing, I don't think there's any option apart from one here in Milford Sound to stay. I think it's mostly fully booked, but I will have to check whether it is actually a lodge, because there's one lodge in the whole area and one cafe in the whole area. So if you're driving here, make sure you're carrying your food and water and everything, so that you just don't freak out. Oh my god, there's nothing out here. Plus the weather is very, very unpredictable. It could be rainy, it could be sunny all of a sudden, and then it could be misty. So be prepared for that. While we were heading towards the cruise ship, let me tell you, the first glance of the fjord took my breath away.
The towering cliffs, the serene water were absolutely stunning. We couldn't wait to get even closer and explore more of this natural wonder. Milford Sound is truly a natural wonder. It was discovered by Maori people over 1,000 years ago. A European explorer, John Grono, named it Milford Sound in 1823. The fjord was carved by glaciers during the last ice age, which ended about 10,000 years ago.
Now we are entering the house. Totally worth taking so much pain.
Today, Milford Sound is one of the New Zealand's most popular tourist spots. It's also home to amazing wildlife like seals, dolphins, and penguins. It's a must visit place for anyone who loves nature. The best time to visit Milford Sound are during summer months, that is December to February, when the weather is warm and the waterfalls are at their peak. We took a cruise with Southern Discovery Tours and their services was fantastic. The boat was spacious, giving us plenty of room to enjoy the views. The washrooms were very clean, which was a big plus. They offered free tea and coffee, which was a nice touch. There was even a small cafe on the boat where we could buy some snacks. It made the whole experience even more enjoyable.
This tour was crazy, crazy, and crazy. I was just lost in the moment. It was so beautiful. We got to see some seals, tiny penguins, and whatnot. Beautiful waterfalls. I'm not sure what season is the best season, but every season is the best season in New Zealand. And this Milford Sound should be in your itinerary. Like, must, must, must. So the price for this tour, we paid around $130 just for this one, the cruise, because we drove ourselves. If you're not driving, then check the prices. It would be like $250 for bus plus this cruise, and if it is a flight, it's $600 per person for a flight plus the cruise. So next time I'm legit planning to take out Scenic flight. Mr. Brar, the country driver.
Yeah, I'm not a country driver. I'm not even a driver. I'm just being forced to drive.
Drove so well throughout the whole trip. क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप? दो शब्द जनता के लिए.
Don't get married.
Don't get married?
Yeah. You become a driver.
Now who cares?
Yeah,
It's your fault.
As we were taking break and enjoying the view, a curious Kia decided to land right on our car. These birds are incredibly curious and love to explore new things. Unfortunately, Kias are endangered. There are fewer than 7,000 left in the wild. Just a reminder, if you encounter a Kia, keep your belongings secure and enjoy the experience from a safe distance.
this place. Oh my god. कितने adjective use करूँ मैं? कितने beautiful, amazing, marvelous, stunning, mind blowing. I don't know. Forgot. I'm short of words. My dictionary is almost gone.
This Fiordland National Park is one of the New Zealand's most spectacular and picturesque natural areas. And this has been a popular filming location for several famous movies, including The Lord of the Rings, X-Men Origins, Hobbit trilogy.
Oh my god, this bird is scary. Come on, get it. So make sure do not feed these Kia birds, like not at all. And they seem scary. I don't know how these people are just trying to make that sit on their arm. That's not advisable. Like do not disturb them. They're endangered species, man. But that's so pretty and cute, and they smell the food and they will keep following you. Your car, yourself, on those tiny legs. That's cute. So
हम जा रहे हैं TNO को छोड़ के.
yeah, anyhow we are leaving New Zealand. तो अब हम ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा सैड हैं और हमारे पास कुछ ही आवर्स बचे हैं जिसमें हमें थोड़ा बहुत कुछ देखना है और हम लिस्ट नहीं बना पा रहे, लाइक इतना कुछ है यहाँ करने के लिए. सो लेट्स सी हम आज क्या क्या देखेंगे, और फिर हमने अपनी गाड़ी रिटर्न करनी है और पता नहीं वो हमें शटल देंगे, क्या प्रोवाइड करेंगे, नो आइडिया. तो वी नीड टू हैव अ बफर ऑफ लाइक एन आवर और सो. तो मैक्सिमम हमारे पास 1 से 2 आवर्स होंगे टू इवन एंजॉय एनीथिंग.
Last night we were so tired that we couldn't drive back to the Queenstown, and we decided to stay in Tiano. Tiano is a charming town and a perfect place to relax. We found a cozy place to stay and enjoyed a peaceful evening. Today we decided to explore some more spots and see the snow one last time. So let's dig into it.
Last day and we decided to come here again, just have a few more glimpses of the snow, though it's like melting already. From like last 2 days it was good. Today I think I made this. Oh my god, I'm so gonna miss this, and especially this Queenstown. It's like one of the best location to actually live. It has everything, all good.
After returning our car, we reached Queenstown Airport. This airport deserves special attention, so I decided to include it in my video. The beautiful, stunning landscape and the views from the airplane were nothing short of a dream. Not everything was covered in snow, but the mix of snowy peaks and clear blue waters of Lake Wakatipu was absolutely breathtaking. This was the most unforgettable sight we are gonna take from this trip. I feel incredibly grateful for the experience we had, from the dynamic landscapes of Milford Sound to the charming town of Tiano. Every moment was filled with awe and wonder. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. I hope you enjoyed Milford Sound and the surrounding areas with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more travel videos. See you in my next one. Till then, keep traveling. Ta-da!